What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. Today we are going to be eating a 5-course gourmet vegan meal served up by Chef Liz Murphy at the Miller's table in Oceanside, California. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm pumped for this plant-based meal, so I'm heading in. What do you think, Robin?
Let's see. Really good.
On the top you have a couple different types of stone fruit. We have plums and Croutons. These are from Kismet Farms and at the Oceanside Farmers Market. They've been marinated in Kismet refining hibiscus vinegar. That's a local, upcycled, amazing vinegar company here in San Diego.
This looks delicious.
I'm going to introduce my sous chef, Magda. Some of you know her sleep, some of you are new. Magda has been working with me for almost 2 years now, which is amazing, and I could not do what I do without her.
Yeah, well thank you everybody for coming out. What I have in front of you is a Paddy pan squash stuffed with lentil and goat cheese mix. It's a nut-based cheese, and then it has a 5-spice plum sauce, a little bit of arugula mix with some beautiful Meyer lemon, salt for the salad with cardamom, spiced cashews. Yeah, so enjoy you guys.
I think you'll do all kinds of stuff.
The pasta has a mint, avocado, and pea sauce. So that's what's making it creamy is those avocados. There's no really nothing else to the sauce. We have a little bit of almond ricotta on top of there as well. That is a homemade almond ricotta. That's also on your bruschetta underneath the Valdivia Farms tomatoes. These tomatoes, I am not somebody that eats raw tomatoes. Anyone that knows me can tell you that. I was eating these tomatoes raw. It's like the first time in my life, just because they were so delicious. So we just did a quick roast on them. Didn't want to take away from them at all. It's just olive oil, salt, pepper on those tomatoes. Very, very simple. With a little bit of a balsamic glaze underneath in between the ricotta and the tomato. And then on top of the pasta, you do have some pea shoots, some fresh steamed artichokes, and olives.
Nice, thanks.
They moved, and we're moving. This is why we go out.
And that's a wrap. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, if you can give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below and I will meet you down there shortly. And if you know anybody who can use videos like this, make sure you share the video and the channel with them so they can join in all the fun. And for more tips on how to live a happier, healthier life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment. You can click on any of those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I will see you all next time.